Yeah, man.
Made a few little changes since you guys saw it last time. Let's see what Brian thinks of it here.
Wow.
Be honest. Yeah, use your real words.
That's massive, man.
Yeah, man. Well, it's black. It should be huge.
Yeah.
Look at this. Everything about this says speed. It's got a 6S, like dual 3S lipos in there right now.
I can't get over the size of this.
Yes.
You get that a lot?
You know what? I am sure that I am. The more people that see this vehicle, the more people are going to be like, I cannot believe how large this is at 1/7 scale.
Yeah.
I did switch it out from the last video I did. I put in the twin turbos and the velocity stacks here. Put in a couple of extra stickers around. Got to support Loading Kings, right? Same time.
Always.
Original right here on the, what is this? Original ARRMA Motor Works. Straight up. You got those out?
Yep.
Lift that up. See what's underneath.
Dun, dun, dun.
Pretty straightforward. Everyone's like, oh, it's just another infraction. This one doesn't have a handbrake. It does have an option for a handbrake, which is good. And today, what I did was I took these battery posts or battery connectors from the ESC. I just used a small zip tie here to connect it, keep everything lifted and up out of the way from the center drive shaft here, right, from the center diff. And then same with the batteries here. I just kind of lifted up the collar, keeping the balance plugs out of the way so nothing gets snagged up. And totally waterproof, Brian. Not like I see any water out in the parking lot. Yeah.
I see nothing but fun in front of me.
I don't think we're even going to be able to get it up to full speed. I've got a 27 tooth pinion in there, which is like the stock pinion that comes in the bag, but the stock fast pinion, which means it takes a long time to get up to speed.
What kind of speed we can
Yes, exactly. Well, that's why I put the turbos on it, bro. Ryan, you're carrying it. How heavy do you think this car is? By the way, we love your truck.
I gotta say it's 12 pounds.
Yeah, at least it's got the two batteries on the inside, so fairly weighted.
Pretty weighted.
Nice and solid. You know what? You get to be the first person to drive it ever. I haven't even driven it yet. Go ahead, man. It's your parking lot. I know the perils of what happens when you hand over your controller. But I also know you have some experience. Wow. Wow. We're going to have a hard time getting up to full speed, I think.
I think so.
Whoa. This is why we said go to a parking lot, not on the street. Don't kill yourself. So we even marked out, look at this. Here's some tape right here. This would be 50 feet from the starting curb over there, and then 50 feet out up there, and then way up there 50. So I'm gonna go up there. That's like 200 feet that we marked out, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you line up at the curb there, Brian? So Brian's ready, go! It's got active vehicle control, look at that. 200 feet. Dude, he has to put the brakes on before we can even open it up. It's like a bullet. Let's get an aerial shot of it. Dude, look at that. Wow, that's a rare cab over. What a classic. Definitely worth, but it's almost like Loading Kings around here already, Brian.
That's right.
Okay, so what do you think? You had a chance to rip it around?
I had a chance to run this thing, and I can't believe how fast it is.
Already?
You can't keep the tires on that ground, they just spin.
How, can you tell me roughly, you've been here a long time, how tall are these doors? Because people really don't get the grasp of how big this parking lot is.
These doors are 25 feet tall. 25
feet tall, so just coming across this, we're looking at 200 feet and you're doing it in just a matter of seconds.
Yeah, I can't get over how fast it is.
Just getting some B-roll. Good luck, don't crash it. Yeah, man. That is absolutely insane. Bring her back. Wow. That's an incredible, incredible speed.
I've never driven anything that fast in my life.
Why are you wearing glasses right now and you weren't a moment ago?
Because it's so far away.
Yeah, so it's covering that much distance.
And I'm old. I need my
No,
glasses.
dude, that's just the whole point. Is it's going so far away. It's almost like you would think it would be running out of transmission, right? Like how far can it? We do need a runway. At least that road down there has a dead end on it. Who's this guy?
That is my boss.
This is your boss?
Yeah.
You own this building? Can we take one rip inside? We know that this is a long building with is there any way we could get a warehouse scene?
Sure.
Yes! Yes! Thank you so much. This is going to be awesome. Hilarious. Look at this. It's just the screws actually fell out. So that's good for me to know. I'll find some extra ones, but tape will do for now. I think it's very authentic.
Said I'll go get the lights.
Why is it big in here? It's dark here.
It may be a little bit big in here.
Hello! Wow, that's a great echo. What do you do here?
It's a welding shop, so we mostly oil and gas.
Nice. So pipes, fittings.
Pipes, fitting, vessels, everything you can think of.
Oh, these are all overhead cranes over here. There's cranes in the back. Are you a crane operator?
I is.
Yes.
I is a crane operator.
Dude, how badass is this? We get to go into a welding shop after hours just to rip with this. Like I said, the one way you can get perspective is to check out the exit door, and it is very small, very itty bitty. I didn't even see there was an exit door.
Yeah, and you're not even at that end yet.
I waited 15 minutes for you to walk here.
It was a long way to turn the lights on.
Editing does a wonderful thing.
God.
Yeah, right?
I is.
This thing has ample power. Look at it drifting. Insane. Just pure throttle control right across the floor. How badass is this? I know Hoonigan's out there watching right now. This car just drives so smoothly on the open concrete, of course. Just wants to eat and eat for days. Look at this. I need both hands to make sure there's no accidents. Okay, Brian, being the guy you are, you must have some sort of app on your phone.
I do.
Is
It is
GPS.
It is the. I don't know how you say that.
Who cares?
GI, GPS tracking, mostly for overland stuff.
Yes, looks good. So
But
we're gonna.
It gives you a speed reading.
It looks like a very expensive phone. I will try to keep it on its wheels.
Good idea.
Thank
Good
you.
idea. My wife will appreciate that.
Yes, and so will my accountant.
Yeah, recording.
Gonna record the fastest speed. I'm nervous for your phone, sir. Can you go down there and tell me where to stop?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is one of those times, boys and girls of the RC world, that you want to look where you want to go. Don't look at the object you want to avoid. Look where you want to go. Because if you look at what you want to avoid, what happens, Brian? You hit it.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
So, what did it read?
Well, Well, I think it went too fast for the phone. It's giving us a moving speed of 3.3 kilometers.
Well, that is definitely
Which
not
I
correct.
think is not correct.
Incorrect. I think that the steel in the building is blocking the signal, hey?
Agreed, yeah.
That's probably what's going on there.
It's hard to see here, but
Yeah, back
there
we go.
is a massive spike there.
Yes, and then it drops off.
And then it drops off. Pull it up.
So I can tell you that actually in like seconds I was able to do the entire warehouse. It was a little squirrely in the beginning until the ABC kicked in, and then I was able to go straight, but I could not even get it to go straight to 100% throttle. I ran out of runway in this enormous place, so let's see if we can drift around some poles, eh? Why not? Let's see if I can get it around the poles. All-wheel drive. Whoa! More like a power slide. Never drifted before, should give it a try. All-wheel drive, even though these are rubber tires, the exceptionally, try the post here because then you can see it. The exceptionally dusty floor makes it much easier. It's all throttle control. Bring it in tighter, bring it in tighter. There you go. You can see my circles on the floor. Try to mimic them. There you go. That's right, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, no, 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 no. It's the opposite turn. So when you're...
So it's a left turn?
Yeah. Give me the controller.
Your turn.
Good.
Breaking it anyway.
What's interesting about this though is that it's like this whole bottom plastic piece here. We'll add some more tape to it. This has actually been like a very good bumper. None of the body has been like fractured or anything yet. And we've had a few good hits, yeah?
Yeah, maybe just a couple, yeah.
Well, that's okay. That's what these things are for.
Yeah, we have.
Well, that's okay, man. Everybody hands over a controller. You know as well as I do in this hobby. When you hand over the controller, you are prepared to take the consequences. Let's see if I can do the forklift. I think it's going to be a little bit wide because I can't see the other side, but
All right.
here you go.
I am.
I told you, I kept with it. Oh, such an awesome car. Just think of the different things you could do to this car. The mods, like this is a Mad Max car for sure. yeah, buddy. Can you believe it's still all one set of batteries? Insane. The 1/7 scale felony right there. Look at this. Let me pick it up. You guys can get like a normal, look at this. Come up here. This is how big this vehicle is. You guys can get yourself one. Check out the video, the description box down below. I'll leave a link to where you can find one. Also the batteries, the charger. Big shout out to Brian in the background, buddy. Thank you for helping me out and bringing me down here to show everybody this insane car. And for putting a few more, what do we say, character scratches on it for me. He knows I'm teasing him. Thank you very much for bringing us down. Everybody appreciates the good up close look. What are your real thoughts on this car?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Now I gotta like
Where can you run it?
find some money.
You need to find an area to run it, but
You need a runway.
yes, well that's on the 27 tooth Pinion. At least it comes with a 16 tooth. Plus you have different throttle options right on here, 50, 75, and 100. Guys, if you haven't left a like click, please do so already. Subscribe, notify, all that other bullshit you have to do on YouTube these days. And what's your Instagram?
Mud Misfit RC.
Mud Misfit RC. I'll leave a link. Go follow him. He's got some epic RC photographs. Bye guys.